Welcome to Spiritual Health Flow. Today I'm going to share a winter diet plan for weight loss that can help you lose up to 8 kilograms in just 15 days, very easily. This is a plan where you can enjoy winter foods while still keeping weight loss as your top priority. So we created this plan, followed it consistently, and the results are amazing. And today, we'll start your weight loss journey together. Now, let's begin with the complete winter weight loss diet plan. Early morning drink, empty stomach. We'll start our day with an early morning drink, which works like a magical detox drink in winter. It helps detoxify the body and remove stored fat toxins. Option 1, ginger turmeric tea. Both ginger and turmeric are easily available in winter. They help keep the body warm, reduce inflammation, and boost immunity. How to prepare. Boil 1 glass of water. Add freshly grated ginger and turmeric. Add a pinch of black pepper powder. Add 1 lemon wedge. Boil for 4 to 5 minutes. Drink this on an empty stomach. This drink works like a magic remedy for PCOD, PCOS, thyroid issues, and diabetes. And it also has fat-burning properties. Option 2, alternative. Ajwan Jeera water. If you can't take ginger turmeric tea, you can drink ajwan and cumin water. It works especially well for bloating, swelling, and water retention. Choose any one option. Breakfast options. Breakfast should be warm, high in protein, and weight loss friendly. Option 1, beetroot poha. Beetroot poha is rich in iron and very beneficial in winter. The complete recipe is already available on my channel. It's tasty, healthy, and requires minimal ingredients. Option 2, no bread sandwich. Perfect for office goers and easy to carry. Made using besan batter with paneer filling. High in fiber, low in carbs, and great for weight loss. You can pair your breakfast with green tea, peppermint tea, black coffee. Option 3, for egg lovers. 2 to 3 egg white vegetable omelet with seasonal vegetables. Or 2 to 3 boiled egg whites. Again, tea or coffee as per your preference. Mid-morning snack. If you feel hungry between breakfast and lunch, option 1, 1 seasonal fruit, like apple, kiwi, orange, or guava. Option 2, 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts, 1 fig. This is great for brain health, skin, and hair. Lunch options. Lunch should be high in fiber, warm, and satisfying. Option 1, makki roti and sarson ka saag. 2 makki rotis, 1 bowl of sarson ka saag, 1 teaspoon desi ghee, large salad, radish, cucumber, tomato, onion, 200 to 250 grams. This combination supports weight loss and prevents insulin spikes. Option 2, khichdi. You can have moong dal khichdi, vegetable khichdi, chana dal khichdi with salad, curd, 1 teaspoon desi ghee. This meal has helped many of my clients achieve great results. Mid-evening snack. If hunger strikes between lunch and dinner, 20 to 30 grams roasted makhana with tea or coffee. Or murmura with chopped cucumber and tomato, no salt or sugar. Or 30 grams of healthy homemade namkeen. Recipe available on my channel. Dinner options. Dinner should be light, warm, and easy to digest. Option 1, sweet potato. Shakar kandi. You can prepare sweet potato chaat or sweet potato milk dessert. Soak 2 figs in milk for 1 hour. Blend them. Add boiled sweet potato. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add saffron and cardamom powder. Option 2, soup. Moong dal soup. Lemon coriander soup. You can add roasted paneer for protein. Option 3, turmeric milk. 1 fruit, like apple. I recommend turmeric milk at least twice a week for immunity and weight loss. Bedtime drink. Before sleeping, have chamomile tea, jeera ajwan water, turmeric water. Important tips. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. This helps in detoxification and faster fat loss. If you found this video helpful, like this video. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to Let's Go Healthy. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more such health videos. I'll see you in my next video.